alam nyo ba, ang unang chord ng isang kanta ay hindi ibig sabihin yun na yung key niya. Okay, una mong titingnan is yung key signature. Pag walang sharp or flat, yan ay key of C. No? Pwede rin key of A minor, pero yung unang chord niya kasi is A minor 7. So, hindi yan A minor na key. Kasi ang A minor 7, part siya ng family chord ng C. Pangalawa nating titingnan is yung family of chord. A minor 7, D minor 7, G7, and C7. Yan ay part ng family chord ng C major. Okay, another example is Sugar by Maroon 5. So, nakalagay dito, unang chord is G major 7. Pero, titingnan nyo nga is yung key signature. So, dalawang sharp, F sharp and C sharp is considered D major key. Ending chord natin is D. So, maliwanag na ito ay D major, hindi G major. Okay, third example natin is Loving You. C major ang key niya, pero ang simulang chord niya is F major. So, bakit? Kasi kung F major key yan, dapat mayroong B flat yan na key signature. So, automatic yan ay C major key. So, isa pang paraan is yung set of chords niya. So, F major, E minor 7, D minor 7, C7. Yan ay all part of the C major diatonic scale. Yung chord, no? Family chord ng C. And then, isa pang paraan para naman natin is tingnan natin yung last chord. Yun. So, C major yung last chord niya. Confident tayo na ito ay C major key. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Sana may natutunan kayong bago. And pag nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like and share.